This video is sponsored by XVPN. Protect your online privacy using XVPN. Privately and securely serve the internet using a lightning fast and stable connection. Use up to 9 different protocols with support for up to 5 devices with 8,000 plus servers around 50 plus global locations. And cool features like the internet speed check. You want to give it a try? Make sure you check out the link in the description of the video. Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 15 iPhone secret features that you should know about. These are secret features that are hidden within iOS 13 and are pretty cool, and most of them are also very useful as well. But as I said, they're hidden, so a lot of time people don't see them, don't even notice them, and don't know that they have those useful features on their iPhone and that they can perform a lot of things with those features. So let's get it started. Here are 15 iPhone secret features that you should know. Alright, starting off with the first one. Open the Settings app, go to the Accessibility section and scroll all the way down. Here you will see subtitles and captioning. Now, when you're watching a video or movie or something like that, you have, of course, the subtitles which you can enable, but you can also change their style. So if you go to Accessibility, go to Subtitles and Captioning, go to Style right here, then you will have different styles to choose from. So you will have transparent background, large text, classic, and all that stuff. But you can also even create your own style of subtitles. Just go ahead and tap create new style, and here you can customize anything. You can change, of course, the name here, then you can customize the font, choose any font you want here, and then you can go ahead and change the size, the color, the background. You have also advanced options right here. You can change the highlight, the edge style, and all that. So everything can be customized here from the setting on the subtitle section on the accessibility settings. So, you know, the new AirPods, the AirPods Pro, have that noise cancelling feature, which is really awesome and very useful sometimes. But did you know that your iPhone also has that feature? When you're on a phone call, you can have noise cancelling enabled. You can do that by going to Settings, go to Accessibility, and then go here to Audio and Visual, and from here you will find Phone Noise Cancellation. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and enable that, and then this feature will reduce the ambient noise when you're on a phone call, basically making your phone call of a much higher quality because all the sounds that come will be picked up by the mic here and will be shut down. So that's really awesome. This should help a lot. Now there is something really cool that you can do on the Calendar app. So I'm about to show you here 2 really cool features. When you go to your month here, so let's go to the day, and what if you want to add an event? You know that you can just force touch anywhere to add the event. So just like this, add the event. Let's say here, let's say test. Okay, click add, and then you notice that if you tap here, you can go ahead and just bring this down, and you can see I'm at, like, let's say 10 o'clock right there, and you can see it's a number 15 there under 10, which means that I will be placing this at 10:15. And if I bring it down, it's 10:30, 10:45, and then it's 11. Just like that, you can move the event anywhere you want by using the 3D touch. So if you just leave it like this, you see this like blue line right here is from 11 o'clock to 12, so you can make this event last longer. Of course, if you have like a longer event, you can just tap right there on that little dot. You see that little dot, and you can just drag the event as long as you want. So let's say it will be from 11 to 18 right here, and you can just drag it just like that, and then you will have this event that will be during this time from 11 to 18, as easy as that. A pretty cool feature that can be found on Siri is the ability to play radio. So you can play any radio you want on your iPhone just by using Siri. And all you have to do is just open Siri and tell the name of the radio that you want to play. So play Bloomberg Radio. And as you can see, just like that, Siri will start playing that radio station. It's live. You can see right there, it's live. Right now it's playing the radio, and that's really cool. So you don't have to have any like third-party apps to play radio. Just ask Siri to do that and you're good to go. When you're within an app and you're on full screen and you want to check the battery of your iPhone, what you can do here is just swipe like that at the status bar. So you're playing a game, you're playing for a long time and you want to see how much battery you have left, but you don't want to go out of the game or the app. You just swipe like this there and it will show you a peak of your battery, also your Wi-Fi and your cellular connectivity. There's a pretty cool hidden feature within the Photos app on iOS 13. So the Photos app will create those like movies that it creates automatically, and it basically shows you different memories and stuff like that. You can do that also manually by simply going to any of your albums or even create an album with pictures that you want. So if I go here to this album, all I gotta do is just tap right there on the name of the album. So just tap right there at the top, and as you can see, I will be able to create a movie. If I tap on the dots right there, I can play this or I can add this to the memories, and as you can see right here, I can play it right away, and then you will have all the pictures. You can select any one of them directly from there. So as easy as that, create a memory, a movie directly from the Photos app from any of your albums. When you're on the control center and you want to quickly go to the music app, you can tap right here, but it won't do anything. On the lock screen, if you just tap on the title or the album art, it will take you directly to the music app. Well, on the control center, all you gotta do is just force touch here and then tap on the album art, and that will take you right to the music app. When you're on the Notes app, you will have your notes here. Now they're rearranged by default based on when they are basically modified, but you can also rearrange them any way you like. All you gotta do is just go to your notes, go to a folder of notes that you have, and then from here just swipe down more like this, and then you will see like two buttons here. This one that will take you to the gallery view, and then you will have this one here that says sort by date edited. If you tap right there, you will have other options here. So the default is that one. You can also sort them by date created, not the date that they are edited, and then of course you can sort them also by title. So this will be on folder basis. You can rearrange these on this folder the way you like, and then the other ones on the other folder the other way you like. Go to the settings of your iPhone and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone storage and you will see here the storage of your iPhone. Now here it will show you two different recommendations in order to free up space on your iPhone. But if you tap on show all right there, then it will show you even more. So you can see right here, I have like a few things that I can do: empty the recently deleted album, review my personal videos, or enable the iCloud photos to save 34 gigs right there. So if I want to perform any of these actions, all I gotta do is just tap right there, empty, and then from here you can go ahead and delete the recently deleted album. For example, here you can see it shows you the check mark, which means that you have already completed that task, which will help you of course on increasing the free storage of your iPhone. Now, something that will take quite a lot of space on your device are songs. So of course, videos, photos, and songs will take the most space if you download songs locally on Apple Music or any other app. So what you want to do is go to settings, go to general, and then go to iPhone storage and go to music right here. Then what it does is that it will show you right here the space that the songs are taking up on your iPhone, and then it will also list them right here. So it will have a list of songs that are taking up space on your device. You can tap on edit right there and you can go ahead and remove any of them, or simply just swipe like this to delete any of them. And if you tap on one of the songs, it will show you right here all the details about that song. So you can edit it of course from here, go ahead and delete it if it's taking too much space on your device. A very cool feature of the iPhone is guided access. So basically go to accessibility and scroll down right here, we'll have guided access. You enable it right there, and what it does is that it will lock your phone on one app. So if you want to give your phone to someone and you don't want them to go out of that app, that's very useful. So you triple tap on the home button right there and it will enable guided access. So let's just go to an app here, triple tap right there, you can enable guided access. Just tap start right there to start it. But did you know that if you tap on options here, then you will have here extra options. So what you can do here is disable, for example, the side button, disable the volume buttons, disable the motion, disable even the keyboard, or the touch. You can basically do anything, touch anything, and it won't work. So if I just disable touch like that, you can see, click done, start the guided access, and you can see now if I touch here, nothing will happen. So that's basically the touch has been stopped completely. So triple tap there, enter the passcode to go out. And another option here is time limit. So you want to add a time limit, you enable it right there, and you can set the time limit for the guided access from here. Of course, this is very useful. A very useful feature of the Voice Memos app is the ability to save them to the Files app. So when you open the Voice Memos, all you gotta do is just swipe on one of them and tap the three dots right there. This will allow you to save this to the Files app. So you can see right here, save to Files. As easy as that. You can save any of your voice memos to the Files app. On the Maps app, if you're using the 3D view, did you know that if you tap with two fingers like this, you can just move around, but if you tap and hold, then you can swipe like this to change the perspective of your view. So tap and hold, and then you can just basically move it like this. Of course, you can zoom in and out, and you can also rotate here, but if you just want to change the perspective on the 3D view here, just tap, hold, and then start just like swiping up and down, and you can change the perspective of the 3D view on the Maps app. And last but not least, I'm going to show you how you can downgrade your plan on iCloud. So if you have a plan but you're not even using it, you're not spending all those gigs, you don't want to spend more money, you want to cancel it or just downgrade it, go to your iPhone, go to settings, go at the iCloud icon on the top of the settings, then go to manage storage right here. And what you can do from here is go ahead and basically cancel or change the plan. So tap here on change plan. And once you're in here, what you gotta do is change the plan from here. You can even upgrade if you want to, or go to a lower size, or tap here downgrade options. And from here, you just go ahead and enter the passcode. And once you have entered the passcode, then it will give you the option to go free. So you have 5 gigs, of course, which is the free version. You tap right there if you want to cancel completely your plans, and you will be able to get only those 5 free gigs of space on your iCloud. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you'll learn some new things that you can do on your iPhone today. Again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one.